Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to apply for Kwik Trip Credit Card. Kwik Trip itself doesn't offer a credit card directly, but a Kwik Rewards credit card. So in order to apply for Kwik Rewards credit card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in kwikrewards.com. Make sure to log into your account as well, and once you're inside the main homepage, click on the Kwik Rewards Plus button at the top of the screen. Now, go ahead and click on the Apply for a Credit Card option. Go ahead and fill in your information in the text boxes, and also make sure to enter your social security number, your security PIN, and continue application by clicking the Continue button at the bottom. Soon after you fill in the credentials and follow through the instructions, you will be able to apply Kwik Trip Rewards credit card. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.